white rice, money like white rice, money like white rice, money like money like money like white rice, money like white rice, money like white rice, money 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 like white rice, money like white rice, money like white rice, money 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 like white rice, money like white rice, money like white rice, money 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 money.
I was running through the wood with the love. Order ass stuff I eat, yeah, that's the go. I'm not a rapper, I'm an individual. Each line of free, mine's the only thing I sold. My energy's on inner peace. I levitate about 20 feet above the clouds, above the trees. I mean, really steep. They slept on me, just water me. Now I'm flourishing, my outer me's on inner fleek. My outer me's on, wow. They call me Young Deaf Goldblum, looking like a showroom. Lyrically, I'm so cool, with the scrambled tofu. Spiritually, I'm Goku. They can't stop me, Jodorowsky. Yeah, I'm on my own jump. Throwing money like it's white rice. We throwing money like it's white rice. My whole life is like a highlight. We throwing money like it's white rice. We throwing money like it's white rice. My whole life is like a highlight. We throwing. Damn, now it's all over the floors. People slipping, falling, got it in my hair and yours. And I bet that you thought that was just a metaphor. I mean, really, man, we gotta clean up after the show. It's a mess here. Come on. My father was an immigrant, started at McDonald's. Then he started flipping it, owned his own business. Taught me, built my pyramid. Told me I'm an instrument, I'm nothing like you singing in. Shout out to the ladies like Haley and Sia. And never seen they faces, but in your music, see ya. Insert on a monopia and a haircut on Lupita. And I'm probably out of words because we throwing money like it's white rice. We throwing